2025 Home Office Design Trends. Chic, functional and trendy ideas. The home office has evolved significantly in recent years, becoming not just a functional space but a place that reflects personal style and enhances productivity. As we move into 2025, the trends in home office design are focused on creating spaces that are both stylish and functional, seamlessly blending work and life. This video delves into these latest design trends, offering inspiring ideas on how to transform your workspace into an area that fosters creativity, efficiency, and comfort, while still showcasing your personality and style. One of the key trends for 2025 is the integration of multifunctional furniture. With many people working from home, the need for versatile furniture has never been more important. Desks with built-in storage, adjustable standing desks, and modular shelving systems that can be reconfigured as needed are all popular choices. These pieces maximize the functionality of the space, providing storage for office supplies, documents, and personal items, while keeping everything organized and out of sight. The trend also includes ergonomic furniture, such as chairs and desks designed for comfort and support, ensuring that long hours spent working are less physically taxing. In terms of aesthetics, 2025 home office designs are moving toward minimalist and clean lines. The emphasis is on creating clutter-free environments that promote focus and creativity. Neutral color palettes, such as soft whites, muted grays, and warm beiges, are paired with natural materials like wood, metal, and stone to create a calming and sophisticated atmosphere. These materials not only add texture, but also create a more inviting and serene environment, helping to separate the workspace from the rest of the home. The use of plants is another trend that adds life and color to the office, while also purifying the air. Lush green plants or small indoor gardens can bring a touch of nature into the space, making it feel fresh and vibrant. lighting also plays a crucial role in home office. Designed for 2025, the trend is leaning toward adjustable lighting that allows users to control the ambiance throughout the day. Bright, cool lighting is perfect for the morning, promoting focus and alertness. While warmer, softer lighting can create a relaxed atmosphere in the evening, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Smart lighting systems that can be controlled via apps or voice commands are gaining popularity, giving users the ability to adjust lighting based on their activities, time of day, and mood. Another important aspect of modern home office design is the incorporation of personal style. 2025 trends encourage the use of unique decor items that reflect your personality, whether through art, books, or personal mementos. A personalized workspace can foster a sense of comfort and ownership, making the environment feel more like an extension of oneself. Statement pieces like bold artwork or decorative sculptures can make the space more visually appealing while maintaining functionality. At the same time, it's important to avoid overwhelming the space with too many distractions. Striking a balance between personalization and a clean, productive environment. Finally, the use of technology in home office design is evolving, with many offices becoming smart spaces. The integration of voice-activated assistants, wireless charging stations, and high-tech monitors or screens ensures that your workspace is as efficient as possible. Additionally, noise-canceling headphones or soundproofing features are popular for those who need to focus in noisy environments. In conclusion, the home office design trends for 2025 are all about creating spaces that blend style, function, and technology in a way that promotes both productivity and relaxation. By incorporating multifunctional furniture, minimalist aesthetics, smart lighting, personal touches, and cutting-edge technology, you can craft a workspace that is not only beautiful but also optimized for efficiency and comfort. Whether you're working remotely full-time or just need a place to handle occasional tasks, these trends will inspire you to create a home office that supports your work and lifestyle in the most stylish way possible.